this video I'll show you how to create and manage quizzes in LearnPress. Let's start by navigating to the LearnPress and clicking on Quizzes. To get started, click the Add New Quiz button at the top. First, name your quiz however you like. I'll name it Sample Quiz. This title is what your students will see in the course curriculum. Next, move down to the description area. Here, you can provide instructions or an overview of what the quiz covers. A brief description helps set expectations for your students before they begin. Now, let's add some questions. Scroll down to the questions section. On the right, you can choose the question type. We'll stick with single choice for now. Type your question. For example, what is LearnPress? Click Create Question and you will see a panel to custom various settings. For example, for this question, I'll type in some choices like a WordPress LMS plugin, a theme, or a hosting service. And don't forget to check the button next to the correct answer to enable automatic grading. Moreover, on the right-hand side, under Option Details, you can assign specific points for this question, provide a helpful hint, or even add an explanation that appears after the student submits their answer. This feedback is crucial for a great learning experience. After finishing, you can repeat the step to create additional questions for the quiz. Now let's fine-tune the quiz settings. First, duration. Set a time limit. Setting it to 0 means student can learn it without restriction. Passing grade. To find the percentage needed to pass. Instant check. If enabled, students can see if their answer is right immediately. Negative marking. Use this if you want to deduct points for wrong answers, which discourages guessing. Minus for skip. Similarly, you can penalize skipping questions. Retake. Decide how many times a student can try again. Pagination. Choose how many questions appear per page to keep the layout clean. Review. This feature allows students to look back at their performance after finishing. Finally, show correct answer lets them see the right choices during the review phase. Once you are happy with the settings, hit the Publish button to make your quiz live in the system. You will see notice about the permalink. This is because a quiz needs to be part of a course to be accessible. Let's go to LearnPress, then Courses. Select the course you want to edit. Scroll down to the Curriculum section, click Intent Bank, and select the quiz we just created. After you added it, click Update. Now, your students can officially take the quiz as part of their learning journey. You can check if the quiz has been added. Back in the quizzes list, you can manage everything easily. Hovering over a quiz reveals options such as Edit Content, Quick Edit for fast setting changes, or Trash if it's no longer needed. You successfully mastered LearnPress quizzes. Click on the next video to continue learning how to use LearnPress effectively. See you there.